Okay, today we're going to be doing a Is the Water Healthy lab. And in front of you, you have the sheet that looks like this on the right side of the screen. Looking at the problem that we're facing is what will determine if a body of water could sustain life. Now read the facts about water testing and then answer the hypothesis. Remember, the hypothesis is an educated guess based on your knowledge and your experience. And we've talked about water testing and water quality. So think about your notes and think about the facts that are listed. So make sure you answer the hypothesis before you continue to the video. If you need to pause it, do so. So I'm going to go on with the materials. The materials that we're going to be using are 7 containers of liquids that are going to represent samples of different bodies of water. We're also going to use a thermometer, pH paper, which is the litmus paper, turbidity testing strip, and a turbidity chart. On the left side of the screen, you will see the turbidity chart or scale that you can use as reference to identifying the turbidity levels. You also have the pH scale that will be comparing your pH strips to, the DO levels, and the nitrate levels. Now, looking at the procedure, you're going to observe each container and follow the below procedures. Now, before we go to that, I want to look at the data chart just a moment at the bottom. If you look at your data chart, there are some things that are already filled in because it says you're going to use this data chart for each container, but we do not have the equipment to check for dissolved oxygen levels or nitrate levels, so that information has been recorded for you. So the information that is already recorded there, you're going to use your knowledge from your notes about nitrates and DO levels, and you're going to make some type of interpretation or conclusion from the information that's here. I'm going to go through each container. I'm not going to do very much talking throughout each container, but I'm going to be following the procedures here where I'm going to be checking the temperature. I'm going to be checking the turbidity. First, I'm going to be checking the turbidity, then the temperature, then the pH. As I show this information for each container, you're going to be recording them in each place of your chart. And on the back, you have 7. After this video is completed, you're going to go ahead and answer questions 1 and 2, and then answer your conclusion. If at any time you need to pause the video in between, please feel free to do so. So here we go, starting with container 1. So this is our container 1. Step 1 of the procedures, checking for turbidity. I'm now going to check the temperature. Temperature records at about 22 degrees Celsius. And our pH. Container 2. Turbidity. Our temperature. About 21 degrees Celsius. Our pH. Container 3. Turbidity. Temperature. It's about 16 degrees Celsius. Our pH. Container 4. Turbidity. Temperature. It's about 21 degrees Celsius. pH. Looks like about a 7.5. It has some of the yellow and some of the green. Container 5. Turbidity. Temperature. It's at about 22. pH. Number 6, turbidity. Temperature. It's at about 55 degrees Celsius. pH. And 7. About 25 degrees Celsius. And pH. This concludes all 7 stations. If you need to go back and fill in your chart, please do so and rewind. Make sure that you answer your analysis questions and your conclusion.